country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Happy International Women's Day to all the beautiful women out there. Without us, the world no fit complete. Without us, life no fit dey complete. As a woman, always remember to say e no get wetin you no go fit do if you put your mind to it. So happy International Women's Day to every woman wey be say dey strive hard, dey do everything possible to succeed in life. So unto today gist, Angel don come out come cry us a river after a man break her mama heart, and also Phyna don come out come attack a Wizkid fan wey come for her, and lastly Tasha don come out to come brag about how hardworking she is without a man involvement in her life. So for a recent interview wey be say Tasha do with Trudy, she dey explain for there to say she dey very hardworking, say people no fit associate her hard work or the things wey be say she don achieve for her life with that of a man. She also say even if they dey call women BBN girls wey be say dey follow man up and down, wey sugar daddy dey sponsor their life, what type of thing, nobody dey ever call out her name because she herself she dey work hard for everything. Say they go, even if they dey call all her colleague, she na one person wey be say dem no dey call out, and which is true.
There's no time they've not started attacking a married man, but they can't bring one married man because they know there's none. I say it proudly. Any day, anytime, anywhere, in my sleep, in my dream. Right. Like everything I enjoy, I worked for it so hard. Not a lot of people can make this mouth. And I'm saying it, I didn't even readjust myself. Because it's not easy. Do you understand what I mean? Like we're in an industry where there are forces that don't want you to prosper.
Tasha na one person wey be say nobody dey ever, I never see anybody wey come and say Tasha, this married man na she dey follow, this one. So wetin she actually talk na true. So una don lis ten to wetin Tasha talk now. For me, I no really get issue with Tasha. The truth be say no matter wetin Tasha even do sef, I no dey even say anything to take drag the girl for. But one thing wey I go point out for this her statement na the fact say you dey try to tell people about your hard work, about yourself. I no see any reason why bringing down your fellow housemates go make anything any better. You no get who no dey work hard for themselves. Everybody works hard. Everybody works hard. Nobody wey be say no lazy person go see food for a table. So as long as you are in this country, everybody works hard. To me, man money na just bonus. If man dey give you money, just a bonus. No mean to say you are not a hardworking person. So make we see some comments under this her post, because some people believe to say this thing wey be say she dey talk, e no make any sense to them. So the first person here come out come say, you wear the smell, which rich married man wants to spend on a smello? Normally if rich married man offers you something now, you no go reject am. So shish, make person hear word. Everybody dey work for their money. Yes, everybody dey work hard for their money. Even olosho sef, e dey work hard for im money. After all, no be thief am, na work, use the body take work for am. Another one come say, omo my babe, I love you, but men makes things easier for us. No award for suffer. No award for suffer. That's why I say man money na bonus. E no mean to say person no dey work hard for himself. And not dey support following married people. Make some people no come feel say, you una know me for that one for here. I dey always call am out. Anybody wey dey follow people husband, I dey always curse them. So another one come say, who doesn't work for their own? Always fighting herself. Another one say, the sleeping with men no be work. The last person say, you can talk about yourself and not bring other people to it. Exactly. Now which I just talked just now, she not supposed drag other of her colleague into this thing, into what she dey talk. If you want to talk about your own life, your own achievement, talk am, we go praise you. No need to drag another person into the drama. So onto Phyna matter. Of recent, we know say Phyna, she don dey on set since the art movie. You know, she have been busy these days. The girl no get time for a lot of things. A lot of people come dey say, this one wey be say Phyna no dey come out, they can't talk again, she no dey fight anybody, this one. They come dey wonder say where she dey for movie set. They try to secure the bag. So a recent fight wey be say happen between Buju and the Davido fans, the thing don escalate. As we all know, the Davido fans and Wizkid fans, they always get issues, so they always enter themselves. In short, anytime wey be say Davido get issue with anybody, Wizkid fans like dey happy pass. Anytime wey be say Wizkid get issue with anybody, na Davido fans dey happy pass. So of recent, the fight wey be say happen between Buju and Davido na just irrelevant something. Wizkid fan come carry themselves come insert into the fight as usual. So one person wey say dey call himself Dr. Ping na come dey try to explain im own side as e dey praise im own faith. Im come go drag Davido, drag Phyna into the matter. So the guy im come say, call him proud, but no Nigerian artist has ever disrespected Wizkid. Davido is too available, and that is why F-list artists like Buju and BB Naija ex-convicts like Phyna would dare disrespect him. All that, find him for me, dey bring insult. Wetin the person dey try to talk be say, e dey try to explain to say Wizkid, nobody dey disrespect Wizkid. Say na only Davido na dey dey always disrespect because im dey always help people. Im dey always, if he see something online, go say find this person for me, make I dash am money. Find this person for me, make I not say anything wrong if person is trying to help people. For this country, we just believe in suffer all the time. If you see somebody that is helping somebody, clap for the person. If you cannot help, clap for the person. Not try to talk down on the person effort. If Wizkid no wan help anybody, if you want to keep your face straight, there's a reason why they do. And the one way we say they help person, there's no need for anybody to drag the person down. So in the midst of it, you can't go drag Phyna name into the thing. The girl there on her own, minding her business. Me these days, I dey even talk, I say, I not even see news about Phyna again. The girl is like, she don't respect herself or stay one place. Come find her saying a movie set, and I keep Phyna inside her since. So this one can't go bring her out for where she did. And so she can't reply and can't say, now Ogu go kpai your mama and papa for me. Your papa will be chief, you never call am ex-convict. You dey call your mama wey be public toilet ex-convict. Don't say wazaga. So this her statement, and she make the statement, people come dey shout, you no suppose call a papa name, you no suppose call a mama name.
At this, while I am still here, so this is 2:51 a.m. I am here to inform these people that at the end of the day, bro, I am the air you breathe. Like, honestly, I'm trying to imagine how jobless, useless people that don't have work, or rather, that don't even know what they will eat in the morning, would take to just sit down, because Twitter is somewhere you can just pick any name. And then, because you're a botanist or a zoologist or a vet, come on, don't allow it to affect your brain. You're starting to think like an animal. Where is that man? Pinky or pinging or penging or whatever. People should stop looking for my trouble. Because by the time I come with my trouble, people start saying, oh, she's this, oh, she's that, oh, she's this. And those people always say, oh, Phyna, why do you like insulting people's parents? Yes, because people's parents are sacred. If you don't want your parents to be disrespected, don't come and talk to somebody else anyhow. Do you get? Don't come and talk. I won't come for you if you don't come for me. And trust me, as I said, I don't know how to do. Somebody will tell me, Phyna, you're mad. I'll be telling you I'm mad back. I will not tell you I'm mad. I'll tell you your mother is mad. So people should just please respect yourself. People should respect yourself. Everybody, respect is reciprocal. Everybody should respect themselves in this Nigeria, on this social media. People should respect yourself. I'm living my life. Working by this time, I'm still outside. 3 a.m. Everybody should respect their self. Because when Phyna do her own now, they'll say Phyna started. And you know me, I like violence. I am ready for all of you. All of you, I am ready for all of you on this social. I'm ready. You are mad. That man is a mad person.
Name this one. Fine. Me, I not to say Phyna blow the thing out of proportion by calling the guy parents name, because me I always talk for here say any fight wey be say anybody dey get with person, I not think bringing people's parents into the fight make any sense. But again, why this guy go just dey on his own minding your business? Person dey mind her own business, you come from nowhere call her ex-con. The girl go to jail before? If this guy dey for a house dey mind the business, or him say him name na doctor, if he dey for a office dey check he patients, dey mind the business that pays him, this type of stray bullet no go hit the parents, innocent parents wey no do anything now. So him go manage am. So make we see some comments under this. Under one come say, using abusive words on people's parents doesn't mean anything to the people. It only shows that your parents could have done better raising you as a child. Another one come say, na that same doctor, that mumu doctor wey be say come out come call the girl ex-con, na come dey talk this one. So he come say, abusing other people's parents instead of facing the person that stated a fact about you is a sign that you were picked up from the Josh bin and never set your eyes on your parents. The truth be say, for a man, this Dr. Ping pen picking abi pingling. The guy he talks too much. Let's notice am for Twitter. The guy na just internet troll, always looking for where he go chook mouth put. He go bring down this person, raise the other one, make him use, as in this their banter about their fave is getting out of hand. The next one come say stop hurting people and telling them how to react. She was on her own, abeg make una free this babe. Another person say no difference between you and the person wey post rubbish, so una fit una sef. Another one say Phyna, I pain you abi come laugh, no vex. The next one come say so you be ex convict true true. Una don see am, dat statement wey be say dat guy make, pipu don dey use am dey laugh am now, and you know as e dey be for social media. Once person don call you one particular name, na dat name all of everybody go wan dey call you. At least with dis kain insult wey Phyna don insult dat guy now, e go see say im go, if e dey talk next time, im go make sure say e stay clear from her. So unto Angel matter, Angel just come out come post something for her IG story wey be say she dey explain. So she come say they have broken my mom's heart too. So the mama come dey chat her up. She come say Nigerian men better stop abusing that word love. Come put angry emoji. Angel come laugh, come say who break your heart? Abeg make una leave mama Angel alone. Oh, that woman have been through enough. And for those of una wey be say dey come out dey talk say like mother like daughter, this one, make I tell una something. Heartbreak na for everybody, nobody is exempted. Admire the daughter and the mother and daughter relationship wey be say Angel and her mama get. You see say the first person wey be say she call when the thing happen to her na her daughter. So and she the daughter sef the were dey laugh. Daughter you say the two of them dey understand each other die. So mama Angel go better. Una take care, una bye.